14 Urban Road.
159, I'm going to see.
2011.
He made statements earlier that he's going to take care of the PD himself.
He has no capability of
Okay. Well, I don't know that. When people are making threats to the police, he's got a shotgun. He's going to take care of it.
Do you guys understand that his property has been taken over for almost an entire year now?
Right.
And he's had you guys over here like I understand he's been disrespectful. I understand he's
and
hard
it's one
to
thing to be
communicate.
disrespectful. It's another
Very
thing
hard to
they threats. That's why we're standing over
How many years have you been stuck in a chair, sir?
I never have.
I know.
But I've
you
talked
understand?
to Terry here.
How many years have you been incapable of doing
landlord
things?
to change the locks to try to force someone out, and that's what he's done.
Okay,
How
okay,
long-
stop. We're not
how
all going to
long
talk at
can it
once.
allow
Stop,
to stand?
stop,
How
stop.
long-
Did I say stop? Because I think I said stop.
Okay, I understand.
So
but
stop talking.
I
No, stop talking. Let me tell you something. We've been out here 15 times. Don't talk. We've been out here 15 times for him acting like this, and every time we come here, we give him the advice. Go to the court, get an eviction notice. He won't do it.
He can't.
He can.
He's been told he has to be in person.
He can.
And he can't. He doesn't have the capability to go there. He's had his vehicle at a shop for over 6 months, and they haven't been giving him. He's been getting a shit list.
But that is, listen to me, that isn't the point. Every time we tell him what he needs to do, you know what he said? No, I'm not going to listen. You are.
I want you listen.
You know what's going to happen?
You are a public servant.
You know what's going to happen? You're going to get arrested for disorderly and for obstructing me if you do not stop.
Anything.
You are, because you're not listening to me try to handle this call. Every time we come here, he says, the government this, the government that, you guys don't give a shit, and he rolls away and goes back in the house and will not listen to the advice we give him. We can't fix this for him.
I opened up my statement talking about how he is hard to communicate with.
We can't fix this for him. We can't. He is the only one that can fix this. He has to deal with the court. He won't deal with the court because he doesn't like them because they're government. The same thing about us. P.S. I am not done talking, sir. I am not done talking. P.S. When he makes a comment that he's going to take care of the police with a shotgun, this is the result you get. We're going to take care of ourselves.
About that. He never made that comment.
I'm telling you that we got a phone call.
Okay, well, get the recording of that phone call, and I promise you, he never made that comment.
I'm finished talking to you.
There.
You are not the complainant here, so you can go away.
So what do you need
Go
us
on.
to do?
Goodbye.
You need to get your
Do
stuff
you
back.
understand?
Sir,
they have been
get to step in or you're going to jail.
They have been taking advantage. You get away from
Go.
me. Are you serious?
Go.
This is the Vandalia
You're going to go to
police
jail.
today. You know
You're
how
obstructing
ashamed
my
I am.
investigation right
You know,
now.
he's been
Goodbye.
in the police force
Goodbye.
5 times longer than you have.
Goodbye.
And you have no
Goodbye.
right to do this.
You are not the complainant. We are not going to deal with you.
You
Go.
are a public servant.
You tell Mr. Terry to come out here and we'll talk to him.
You are a public servant.
You have nothing in
and
this.
You should be helping a citizen of the community. Do you understand
You're
that?
obstructing official business.
Get off of
Turn
me.
around.
No, you get off of me.
You're going to jail.
Are you no way. Are you serious with this?
I told
No
you.
way.
I warned you.
No, that's not how that works, miss. That is, you understand, this is not how that works.
She gave you numerous.
No way! Are you serious? No way! No way is this happening right now. I have done nothing wrong at all. I have done nothing at all wrong.
You've obstructed us since the minute we got here.
Tell me what you've instructed.
And you're intoxicated.
No.
Are you serious? So we'll add public intox to it. You're going to need to walk.
Listen, can I have a conversation? Before this meeting started,
You tried that. We're supposed to walk away.
Can I have a conversation about what's going on?
Is he good?
Yeah.
Because I am not. I understand. She said I am intoxicated. Yes, I've had a few beers. I'm at my father's house. Everything on you. I have keys. This did not have to come to this.
It didn't. You had every chance to walk away.
Have a seat.
I gave you every opportunity.
Have a seat.
I warned you. I told you. You didn't listen.
Can I have a conversation with you?
You can put yourself in the car.
Can I have
Put your foot in.
Put your foot in the car.
Don't, why do you have to treat me like this?
I'm going to talk to you. Put your foot in the car. Here you go.
I can't believe this.
What is your name?
My name is Joseph Lee.
Okay.
I'm the son of Terry Lee.
Okay. Listen.
Okay.
If you want to have a conversation works like this. I talk, then you talk. We don't do it at the same time. Okay.
I understand that.
I gave you every opportunity to walk away. I warned you to walk away. I told you you were obstructing my investigation, and you continued and continued and continued. You did this to you. I did not do this. Did you not have every warning? Did you not have every warning?
You did give me warnings.
Did I tell you to walk away?
Did I walk away?
And then you stopped, and then you continued obstructing us.
I was making a statement on
We're
my
not going to argue.
away.
You wanted a conversation.
No,
we can have a conversation, but we're not going to argue.
Okay.
The facts are this. I told you, you are not the complainant here. This is not your property. We don't even have to talk to you. I tried to explain to you.
My father's in a wheelchair.
I understand that.
I'm sorry.
He wheels out here. He's out here right now. He has no problem getting out here to cuss us and scream at us and threaten us. Okay, so don't use that as a crutch. He is perfectly capable of coming out here and dealing with us. But what I told you numerous times was walk away. You're obstructing my investigation, did I not?
I wanted... Can I say something real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. I wanted to come over and make a point from a different perspective, okay? He has a tendency to get riled up. Was I being combative? Did you feel
You don't have to be combative to obstruct. You were obstructing
I'm in handcuffs.
us. Listen,
my wrist is really hurting.
Listen.
My wrist...
Sir, we're out here investigating a call where a man said, I've got a shotgun, I'm going to take things into my own hands. It doesn't matter what you know or what you think. We have to go on what we know at that time, okay? So that puts us at great risk. Stop. Then you come out here and you want to argue and bicker about it, which causes me to have to come from behind cover, from safety, where there might be a man with a shotgun, to come and deal with you obstructing my investigation. You are under arrest for obstructing in public intox. You never should have been out here intoxicated in the first place, and it's not your property.
I understand that.
He's capable of coming out here and talking with us. And I know that he gets riled up, but he is the complainant. He is the person that we are dealing with. I gave you every warning. I listened to what you had to say. I explained to you what we were doing. And I explained to you that every time we deal with Terry, he is horrible to deal with. He won't listen. He won't go take care of things himself.
I understand that. That's why I tried to come over here.
And you did not heed the warnings. That is why you're under arrest. Period. You're lucky you didn't get a resisting the way you started yanking your arms around.
Arrest? I have muscular dystrophy, and you're ripping me around for... Was I combative at all?
Did I tell you were under arrest? Because I did.
Did you read me any rights
I don't have
whatsoever?
to read you your rights. I'm not questioning you.
I didn't do anything
Please do not
wrong,
spout the law at me, because you don't know it and I do. Put your knee in.
Stop.
Put your knee in.
I didn't do
You're going to get hit with the door
wrong.
if you don't put your knee in.
Last
warning.
Let me get their stuff.
Good.
You want me to hang out here or go there with Crane?
You can go with Crane. Just keep an eye on Terry, because God knows what he's going to do. You want to take up for your dad, and I understand that you want to come out here and make the point for your dad.